Hi guys, my name is Dhananjay Singh. Welcome back to the Health classes. Heterotrophic mode. In this mode of nutrition, organisms take the food from the other side, from the other organisms. They are depending on the others because they are not capable to make their own food. And those organisms which follow this mode of nutrition are called the heterotrophs. The heterotrophs examples are man, dog, cat, lamb, etc. There are three types of the heterotrophs: carnivores. Those eat only animals are called the carnivores. For example, tiger, lion, snake, frog, etc. Herbivores, plant eaters are known as herbivores. For example, cow, deer, rabbit, elephant, etc. Omnivores, plant and animal eaters are known as omnivores. For example, crow, human, dog, sparrow, etc. Types of heterotrophic mode of nutrition. There are three types of the heterotrophic mode of nutrition: saprotrophic, parasitic nutrition, holozoic nutrition. Saprotrophic nutrition. In this mode of nutrition, organism obtain its food from the decaying organic matter of dead plants, dead animals, and rotten bread, etc. And those organisms which have this mode of nutrition are called saprophytes. For example, fungi like bread, molds, mushrooms, and many bacteria. Parasitic nutrition. The parasitic nutrition is that nutrition in which organism derives its food, means they take their food from the body of other living organism without killing it. And those organisms which follow this mode of nutrition are called the parasite. And from which body of organism they get the food is known as host. For example, some animals like Plasmodium, roundworms, a few plants like Ascuta, and several fungi are included to the parasite. Holozoic nutrition. In this mode of nutrition, organism take the food into their stomach, digest it, convert it to the smaller molecules, absorb it by the body cells, and then they get the energy. So that's why I have written the holozoic nutrition is the that nutrition in which an organism take the complex organic food materials into its body by the process of ingestion. Ingestion means the getting the food inside the body. The ingested food is digested and then absorbed into the body cell of the organism. For example, human being, most of the animals. Means simply we can say in this mode of nutrition, the organism take the food, digest it, convert it into the smaller molecules, and that smaller molecules are absorbed by the body cells, and from them they get the energy, and from that energy they do the essential work for the life process as well as they do for the necessary activity. Thank you.